Good day, this is Nikhitha from Department of Interior Design at Milagros College. So today's topic will be color and color applications. So last class we saw what are the color wheel. So in the color wheel there are two types like warm color and cool color. Let's see what is warm and cool colors. One group of color in color wheel is associated with the sun, warmth and fire. This color are called warm colors since they evoke the warm feelings in the people. Yellow, red, orange and different shades of this are the warm colors. The wavelength of these colors are long and these are easily noticed and lively colors. Warm colors create a cozy and energetical atmosphere in places where they are used. So warm color is related to fire. Fire in the sense like which yellow, red, orange. It looks like a example I can say yellow, red, orange, sunset. The need example of sunset that is little of fire look, right? Now if you go to a beach when you see the sunset, it's of a color of what? Yellow, orange and red. So that is nothing but a warm colors. So what are cool colors? Another group of colors in a color wheel on the other hand is considered to consist of cool colors. This cool color leave a cold effect on people. So, warm color is warm effect on people. Cool color is cold effect on people. What are the cool colors? Green, blue and purple. And shade of these colors are cool color. Now example of green, blue and purple. What you can say? Green, blue and purple. I can say hill. Hill. Mountain with the lake like that. That is like green is greenery, blue will be like water, purple will be a somewhat sky, sky plus water. It's like something purplish like that. So green, blue, and purple, and the shade of this color are cool color. To create a calming and comforting effect, you must opt for this cool colors. Okay. So color can cause mood changes, the feeling of warmth and coolness, alter perception of largeness or smallness in the terms of volume as well as difference in perception of distance. So mood uh, color can change your mood and a feeling of warmth and coolness and perception of longness and smallness and terms in the volume as well as the distance. As I said, example now warm color will be sunset and the cool color is for any scenery or anything. So this is the example. Warm color appear to be energetic and more stimulating. So warm color I said it's like red, yellow and orange. Cool color appear to be calm and relaxing. It's like blue, purple and green. What is color rendition? Let's see what is color rendition. Actually, without color, we can't even imagine without color. To see color, we have to have light. Right. So without light, we can't see color. And without color, we can't even imagine. So the color of an object as we perceive it determined by two things. The surface color of the object and the color containing the light shining on it. The color of the red apple under a red light will be highlighted as the color of the light increases the color of the apple. Okay. Under a blue light, the same red apple will appear dull and grayish because the blue light waves are observed and there is no red wave to be reflected by the apple. So they are saying if light is now if example I take white light is reflected on a green apple. So what red color will reflect. Now blue light have reflected to apple. So that seems like a grayish. Say the image that is a proper. See white light when it reflected, red apple can be so red wave is observed. So red color is observed. So we can see red color. When Gray, when a blue light is observed to apple, we can see which color? Not red, right? Grayish. So there is no light of red color. When we pass white light, we can see red red wave is observed. See, they have mentioned. The color of the red apple under a red light will be highlighted as the color of the light. Increase the color of the apple, that's a red. Under blue light, the same red apple will appear dull and grayish because the blue light wave are observed. Because the blue light is observed and there is no red wave to be reflected by the apple. This interaction between an object and light source is called color rendition, and this may influence the color of the object. Even light is an important role to see color. Color of light. Now I said each color have each wavelength. Object appear different color because they absorb some colors, that's wavelength, and reflected or transmitted other colors. The color we see are the wavelengths that are reflected or transmitted. Example, they have given example there down. Example, a red shirt looks red because the molecules in the fabric have absorbed the wavelength of light from violet or blue end of the spectrum. And red light is only that is reflected from the shirt if only blue light is shine onto the red shirt. The shirt would appear black because of blue would be observed and there would be no red light to be reflected. White objects appear white because they reflect all the color. Black objects absorb all colors, so no light is reflected. So when white light is reflected, now the shirt is particular red, so red is reflected. Now the trouser is blue, so blue is reflect. That particular color is observed. As I said, no, like each color have each wavelength. So even look into last line. White object appear white because they reflected all colors. All colors in the sense all seven colors. As we said, example of Isaac Newton prism. Okay, so all color. Black object absorb all the colors, so no light is reflected. There is see. Now in this only we can see. We have already discussed that the white light is the mixture of seven different colors, right? When this white light consists of seven colors falls on an object, then that object absorbs all the color of the white light except one color, which it reflects. And it is the color of the reflected light which determines the color of the object. For example, leaf. White light coming on it, which is reflected green. Green is reflected to our eye. Now here black color won't absorb any light. See, for example, ball. So for black object, color won't reflect. It will be only black, right? Now for red ball, that's reflected. Seven colors are reflected. That is only red observed. Here white, for white all the color is observed. So, psychology impact of color. Now we have discussed each color have each wavelength. Like that, each color have each emotional, mood, etc. Now red. Red is of excitement, strength, love and energy. Orange, confidence, success, bravery, and yellow, creativity, happiness, cheer, warmth. Green, nature, healing, freshness, quality. Blue, trust, peace, loyalty. Pink, compassion and sweet. Purple will be loyalty, luxury. And ambition, brown is the dependable, rug, trust when simple, black will be dramatic, security, formality, white will be clean, peace, innocent, etc. etc. So psychology impact of color, where it will use. As we interior design, we are using color in interior. Now red is like strength and love, where we can use. Interior we can use a particular wall we can paint a particular now not only wall even in item also you can show right now red sofa red carpet red curtains anything like that orange so orange is success bravery we can now orange is something like shines right now orange yellow you can put on walls like a highlight a particular accent wall will say that particular we can do in interior. Green is of nature, healing like that. Blue is of trust, peace, loyalty. So each color have each emotional mood and psychological impact of color. So these colors we can use in interiors, not only for like walls and for decor, everything. So thank you.